Hey guys, day number 31. Welcome back to the challenge. I speak English every single day until get fluency. Yesterday I was a little bit like got a cold, so today I have a clogged nose. Maybe I will sound a little bit different, but anyway, let's continue doing IELTS speaking test challenge, like issues, questions to improve speaking on a camera. Yes, necessary, yeah, to become better in English, I guess so, guys. In today's topic for discussion, daily routine, I choose this, I'm trying to share my thoughts about part number 3, more deep questions, but obviously more interesting to discussion. So, question number 1, what is the attitude towards arriving late in your country? About arriving late in my country, in Russia. I can say with confidence that in Russia we try to stick our time, our limits when we determine the time of arriving to the meeting with someone, if we have an appointment, or just to get to some destination at the specific time. We try to stick this limit, this time. But sometimes, obviously, people can be late. It's normal, absolutely. About 5-10 minutes is not going to be a problem. Obviously, it depends on the situation, of the type of meeting. Yeah, we will talk about it a little bit later. But in general, people try to be on time. It's like just a moment of respect to the people who you're gonna meet with, to not to make them wait you for a long time. When it is very important to be on time, definitely very important is something official. Official meeting, official event. For example, maybe this is a job interview and you just can't be late on your first job interview, just like a first impression. You need to make a good first impression about yourself, that you're really punctual person, and show your respect to the company, to your employer. So job interview, maybe class to university, there's also you'd better not to be late, but students always late. I'm not the exception. Something with maybe something official. With friends, you obviously can afford yourself to be late in several minutes, because friends always understand, and there's not going to be any conflict, I guess, if you will late. But even if you understand that you will be late, or some official or unofficial, doesn't matter, you should just to notify that guy who you're gonna meet with about that you're gonna be late. Just text a message or make a call to warn that person. Yeah, that's true. That's the right rule, I guess. How can people make sure that they are never late? I guess everyone can be late. There is no people in the world who are never late. But you can make sure that you won't be late if you, for example, use some map on some app, where you can see exactly, specifically time of your arrival, with every single minute of your path, of your trip, yeah, by bus, by subway. For example, in Russia, it works properly, really good. So you can get a cab or metro, and you will see at what time you will arrive to the place. What factors influence most people's daily routines? This is definitely job or university, because we devote to job or university like a really big part of our days, of our weeks and months. So we spend at work in average 8 hours, 7, 8, 9 hours. The same with university. 5-6 hours. This is an average. So this is, and after university we have to do homework, or we need to go some classes like after, like this is not the main class at university, just some sections or sport or some fun clubs, something like this. And we always in this like flow, you know. Yeah, exactly, this determines our daily routine. So we need to get up in particular time to get to some place where we have to be, and we need to spend time there, and after this we need to go home, and this is our free time. We have the opportunity to do what we want, or spend time like spend our free time. Do you think people get enough choice in their daily routines? In average person, I think he doesn't have enough choice, but he doesn't have enough choice because he chose this. Yes, this life is about our choice. If we have a job, this is our choice, and if we feel that we don't have enough time because of this job, and for example you had this job and you start complaining that you don't have enough free time, you want to take a rest, you want to go some travel, but you need to be in this job and work. But this was your choice. This is all our choice. So if you made this choice, yeah, you will spend time like this. The same about university. If you decide about university, you need to like be in this how is it, in this barrier, in this just in this space where you're surrounded by responsibilities. What you need to do to continue being in university, or you will be just drop out. So in general, if we're talking about like our life from zero, we have all choice in the world. This is all our choice, yeah. And everything depends only on us. But people mostly, you know, this like clear, and this is normal. Yeah, this is our society. Most amount of people, most persons have the like how is it called? The main job, like a standard job, 8 hours or 9 hours a day, and they have to be there. So this responsibility, yeah. Alright guys, I would like to finish on this question. It was talking about daily routines, about time, about what be on time or be on late, be late. What do you think, guys? How is it? What's your opinion? What's tradition in your country? How people got used to be on time, or it's you can afford yourself to be late on some meeting? I don't know. Share your experience, guys. Yeah, thank you very much for being here. Day number 31. So appreciate it, guys. Bye bye.